Hello, it's Rob, and we're back with another step-by-step tutorial. And you know, I've had so much fun making the other ones, even though everybody in the comments go like, oh, this Rob, he talks too much and blah blah. To all those people, what we're gonna do today is another flat top. We did the classic flat top, but today we want to go for a military style flat top. So super short on the sides. And we got the beast from the east, the Wolverine himself, Mr. Milky the Barber. Yeah, now, as you can tell, this dude really needs a haircut. He's got super straight hair. I think it's gonna be super much fun. And you know what? I'm actually gonna cut some hair. Let me get my stuff, you know.
Wait, shut the fuck up. We're gonna do this my style. Couple of minutes and we're done. We're gonna start with a little bit of grooming tonic. Not too much. Just a little bit. That guy, he always talks too fucking much, so.
And this guy was actually too late tonight, so fuck.
I was cooking a nice dinner in the oven.
I find it really hard not to talk, actually. But you know what? I'm just gonna relax, have a beer. You know, let this guy do the work for a change.
Okay, we're gonna start. I use the grooming tonic to blow dry the hair in a natural fall. You can see that everything's still natural, all the shitty waves and stuff, which he doesn't have, but that doesn't matter. Now we're gonna start.
All the shit waves.
You can't use that?
Oh yeah, you can use whatever you want, man.
Waves of shit.
I think.
Okay. We're gonna start with our baseline. How is that called? The parietal blah 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 ridge?
Parietal ridge.
The parietal
ridge.
Cool.
Really?
What's really important is because everybody starts low and goes up a little bit. No, we have to do this in one cut. That's how you cut like a really good flat top. So, you see this? Here's the parietal ridge.
Parietal ridge.
So you go up there. Let's go. Okay, we're going to make a really short military style one this time. Now, if you see in front, you already see that the lines are in. Just going to take off a little bulk. And the shape is already in there.
So just so you know, after this, I'm gonna make another video too that might last a little longer. Also flat top.
Am I forgetting something, Rob?
No, you're doing a great job, man. It's a perfect instructional video.
Well,
a lot of video, not that much instructions. How do you like the Netherlands, my man? Because where are you from?
United States.
United States of America.
United States of America.
America.
America. Fuck yeah.
America. Fuck yeah. God, it already looks really fucking awesome, man. It's aggressive. It's a little punk rock. It's definitely the military style. I love this.
But what are we gonna do with his beard?
Fucking sideburns, man. You gotta turn him into a young Wolverine.
Fuck yeah.
You know what I love? You know, Leen, are your clippers set to 0 or maybe half? Maybe this is the shit people want to know.
Really? Doesn't really matter. As long as the hair comes off, it's fine. This is 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's really beautiful about the Babyliss. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Babyliss for life!
Okay, so Leen and myself here, for those that doesn't know, we own a barbershop called Schorem, blah blah blah. We also own a grooming brand called Reuzel Pomade. I mean, if you want to know more, you can go to www.reuzel.com. Pomade.com. We do hair shows around the world. If you ever get the chance to see one of those, it pretty much goes like this. You know, I do one haircut an hour and a half, and he throws out about 8. So we're giving it away a little bit here, but yeah. Every time I'm blown away how fast this guy does a flat top, man. You just follow the natural shape of the head, right?
Yes. We have our baseline that's right around here, so it doesn't really matter how short you go. This time I went like this short. And then you got like the natural angle of the clipper. So if you look closely, that's why that angle is there. You go up and it's a natural angle. So that you can really do the flat top.
There's been some discussion within the flat top if you should leave it completely square. My opinion is, I mean, I really like a super square flat top, leaving the angles a little bit longer, but especially with the military flat top, a lot of your clients want to keep their flat top flat as long as possible. So usually we just kind of take the front like super flat and then go in with the angles, right?
Yes. I really like to go in a little bit because after a couple of days it will be straight. If you start straight, after a couple of days it will go like this. So it lasts a little bit longer. And it looks good, in my opinion. I'm gonna put a little bit of our pink Reuzel in it, but just a little bit. The reason is that everything will be up, so that it's really nice and flat. Just a little bit. So you can see those flaws.
to look like.
As always, for the hairdressers out there, you know if you have to cut a fringe, you always point cut it. So it looks straight, it looks more straight. This is the same thing that I'm doing now, but only on the top of the flat top. Going over it, and just making it more straight.
Maybe you should smile every once in a while.
You don't have to.
I look tough. So, this is how I do a flat top.
So guys, flat top, Leen style.